campustech. Hello, today I have Samsung S22 Ultra. Broken in the middle, it has a spider crack. Back is perfectly fine, so let's start. Heat the edges of the back cover to soften the edge. Do carefully, don't cut anything underneath that because it has a small component and you can also break the back glass. So just use the plastic tool or that soft knife to lift a little bit up, as you can see, a little bit up, and now you can easily remove the adhesive tape. Use this plastic thing, or you can use any plastic thing to remove the adhesive, because we put the heat on it, so it's very soft, so you can easily remove. But be careful because it is curved edge. It's a very easy breakable. So this is the final thing on the corner, so carefully remove this. Here we go. So we are able to save the back. So use the flip tool, unscrew all top and the bottom screws. So just lift a little bit, disconnect all connector. For this is a sensor, so remove this, make sure you don't break it. So disconnect the battery connector. You can do from the hand or you can use a plier. So this is the screen connector and that is sensor. So I'm just going to remove this thing, plastic. So now I think I should remove this plastic to remove all top back cover. So because there is no screen on the top, I mean the SIM card on the top. So disconnect the front camera, and let's try to lift from here. I think we need to disconnect this all connector first, and then we will easily able to lift that motherboard. So this is a stylus connector. So now you can little wiggle and you can easily take out. Look at the front, and that's the back of the motherboard. So it's time to remove the charging port which contains SIM card. So first I need to remove the SIM card tray, and now we can remove this charging port area. Yeah, it's kind of sticky, so we can do from this way. Oh, that's easy from this way. And careful, as you know this flex is not it can easily breakable. So use this alcohol to soften glue underneath the battery, so we can easily lift the battery after few seconds. So let's disconnect this, the main flex, or in fact first go with the front camera. Yeah, wiggle a little bit, and now you can, here is the front camera. This is the earpiece. I unscrewed it already, you can see the screws right there. So disconnect that main flex which is coming from the LCD and going to the motherboard. Look at that. So let's remove the battery because it's already soft. As you can see, it's very easy to remove now. So it's time to bring the new LCD. Here is the new LCD. I'm able to find the pole LCD. It is original, but it's what they call pole LCD. So let's put all component back to the new LCD. After battery, I think I should go with earpiece, and one by one I'll put everything back to the new machine, I mean new screen. This is a motherboard. Let's skip the video, and let's connect this one first. Connect the battery screen connector. All connectors are connected now. So this is actually a screen connector, and now I'm connecting motherboard connector. So after these things, now you can put the charging port. Do it. So everything is settled down. I skipped the video because it was getting long. So put all together, let's screw it. So all the screws are here. I put the double tray, put the SIM card tray back. It's time to put back glass, and it's ready. So let's see if it's working. Yeah, it is working. Touch is working. You can see the numbers. It's fully working. And thank you very much for watching my channel. Have a wonderful day.